Gaming phones are all the rage today and Xiaomi's got a sub-brand for it, and the first phone, the Black Shark. In today's video, let's unbox it and take a quick look. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and before we begin, here's a card to our latest giveaway. You can also find a link to it in the description below, and while you're down there, please do click that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our daily content. So here's the box that the Black Shark comes in, the green branding, kinda reminiscent of Razer. Opening it up, we've got a card saying, "You're a gamer, let's shark." Then we have the Black Shark itself. Let's take it out of its protective cover. It looks different, to say the least. We then have a SIM ejector tool, a bumper case. Now this is mandatory to be able to play games with a controller. We then have some regular leaflets and a screen protector. Next, there's a charger, 12 volts, 1.5 amps. That's followed by a Type-C cable and a Type-C to 3.5mm converter. Yep, you guessed it right. No headphone jack on this guy. Before we get to the Black Shark, let's quickly unbox something else, the Gamepad. This is an optional accessory. The box feels light. Inside we have the instruction manual, in Chinese of course, and then there's the gamepad itself. It's got a textured back, feels light, a couple of buttons up top. These are not analog buttons. There is a Type-C port too, since the controller works via Bluetooth and needs to be charged. The phone with the bumper clicks into place quite easily. So now let's get to the Black Shark. From the front, the phone resembles the OnePlus 5T. It's a little taller, that's because the fingerprint scanners to the front. It is fast and responsive. There are capacitive keys to either side. Weirdly, they don't have a backlight or even markings. The display here is a 5.99-inch IPS LCD panel with an 18:9 aspect ratio and a Full HD Plus resolution. And no 120Hz panel here like on the Razer phone, just good old 60Hz. The display seems nice though, bright, sharp with excellent viewing angles. Now about this display, we've got a 20-megapixel camera, sensors, a earpiece that also doubles as a speaker, and a front-firing flash. To the back, we've got a dual camera setup with a dual-tone dual LED flash and a secondary microphone. There's a lot of metal. This back looks unique. The entire build feels, like I said, different. You're gonna either love it or hate it. Me personally, I like what I'm seeing. It feels fresh. It's not something we've seen a lot. In a sea of similar looking phones, the Black Shark does stand out. Now, whether it's a good thing or not, that depends on what you feel. Beauty does lie in the eye of the beholder and all that. So, here's a poll, let me know where you stand. Now the top's clean, the regular power and volume keys can be found to the right, and as is norm, the primary microphone, speaker and the Type-C port reside at the bottom. We've got something new to the left, and no, I'm not talking about the dual SIM slot, no micro SD by the way, but I'm talking about this toggle with a green accent. It gets you to shark space, basically a gaming mode. It auto detects your games and lets you launch them from here. Swiping on the fingerprint scanner brings up more options with a cool overlay. It lets you disable notifications and basically anything that might interrupt your gaming experience. The extreme mode toggle should help you get the best performance with games while draining the battery real fast. You can clear up RAM, you get the idea. The performance itself should be great given that the Black Shark storing the latest Snapdragon 845 chip. That also comes with liquid cooling here. Now this is one of the most powerful chips on the market today, and if the thermals are handled well, it should perform excellently. The Black Shark's available with either 6 or 8 gigs of RAM to go along with 64 and 128 gigs of storage respectively. Given all the power and gaming focus, there is a 4000 mAh battery inside too, with support for Quick Charge 3.0. On the software side of things, the Black Shark is running on Joy UI 1.0 built on top of Android 8.0 Oreo. Joy UI basically feels like Skin MIUI. Like if you see the first party apps, the phone manager and some other apps, they are basically very much skin versions of Mi apps. The others like the calculator or camera are straight up MIUI apps. One advantage, side loading Google Apps was easy, just the same procedure like with MIUI. Talking about the camera app, let's talk cameras. The primary sensor is 12 megapixels with 1.25 micron sized pixels and a f1.8 lens. The secondary sensor is 20 megapixels with 1 micron sized pixels and a f1.8 lens. The selfie shooter is a 20 megapixel sensor with 1 micron sized pixels and a f2.2 lens. So how do you think these cameras fared? Here's another poll, let us know. Now, the Black Shark is available only in China as of now, and the prices start from 29.99 yuan, that's about 470 US dollars or 31,500 Indian rupees. This kind of makes the Black Shark the cheapest phone with a Snapdragon 845 chip. Given OnePlus's pricing trends, I don't think even the OnePlus 6 will manage to undercut it. The Gamepad is priced at 179 yuan, that's about 1,800 rupees or $28. So do you guys want to see a dedicated video on how the Gamepad works with the Black Shark? What do you think about the Black Shark? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If this does come to India, odds are really slim, but if it does, would you be interested in forking over your own cash and buying one? Again, let me know all that in the comments. So I guess it's time I bid you adieu. Vote this video down if you hated it. But if you did like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on notifications if you haven't yet. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, this here is Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.